All right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use 7-Zip to curate all of the media assets for your different projects and then put them into one place. And then later we'll look at how to rename those in a different tutorial. So right now I have a PowerPoint file, and you can see I have a bunch of slides here. These slides have all sorts of media assets in them. I also have a storyline file here, and the same thing, storyline file is just a demo file. It's got a bunch of media assets in those. So first thing I want to do is save those, which I did. So I've got those both saved in a folder here. Now both PowerPoint and the storyline file, this PowerPoint demo and the demo course here, both of those files, even though they're different file extensions, PowerPoint's going to be a .pptx, storyline is going to be a .story. Even though they're different files, they're basically compressed file formats. So if I go to PowerPoint here and I've downloaded 7-Zip, I'm going to right click and I'm going to use 7-Zip and I'm going to extract that. So I'm going to extract it to PowerPoint demo. So right now you can see there's no PowerPoint demo folder. I'm going to go ahead and extract that to PowerPoint demo. And you can see now there's a PowerPoint demo folder. So for PowerPoint, what I'm going to do is go inside here. And this is basically just an unzipped version of that PowerPoint file. And if I go into the PPT folder, you're going to see I have a media folder. And then inside of that, I'm going to have all the media that I need for that particular presentation. So this is really cool. Right now it's just images. So I'm going to select those all is what I would normally do. Or I might come over here and take the media folder. I might copy this. I'll right click, copy it. Then I'll come to my demo and then I might create another folder inside here. We'll just call this demo. And then inside this folder, I would put my media, right? So I'd paste it. Now this might be the media, let's say it's for my Safety 101 course, right? So what I want to do is call this, Safety 101, and then maybe it's media. So now I've got all of my media for that particular course or that presentation in one area. And it would work the same way if I was working in Storyline. So in Storyline, I'm going to go ahead and find my course. So I've got my story file here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to do the same thing, demo course, and then it's going to extract it. Now it's not doing anything to your process. Oops, I guess I need to close that file. So we're going to go ahead and close this storyline file. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to unzip that. We're going to go to extract demo course. Now it's going to do the same thing. There's demo course. I go inside there. There's going to be my story. And then inside there I should see media. And now I'm going to see all the different media files. Now in this particular case, I have images. I may have some videos in here. I may have audio. I don't know. Then I would do the same thing and do Control A. I can copy these, or I can copy the folder and then rename it and move it somewhere else. And then I have all of my media assets from a single project in there. One of the reasons I like doing this is a lot of times when I'm working in my course, I might be working on an image. I might have 3 or 4 versions of that image, or I've played around with images. I'm swapping things in and out. So my actual production folder may be filled with, hundreds of versions of different images. And what I want is at the end of my course, I want to have all of the media that I used in that course or in my presentation. And this is an easy way to get all of those medias quickly extracted, put them in a folder. You could zip them up, save them, but it's just going to show you all the media that you used in your course. And then hopefully that saves you some time in terms of managing that.